Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. And to our lecturer, Ms. Henny, Haryani, Binti, Ismail, we would like to present our persuasive report. Now, let's start. First of all, my name is Nurul Shuhada Binti Surani. My metric number 254997. I will present the introduction and the problem parts. For the introduction, background of organization, Busana curriculum has been around since 1984 and has undergone some more practically and syllabus related when placing University Utara Malaysia from Darul Aman Temporary Campus Kedah moved to Sintuk Kedah. Busana curriculum is a sub-unit of entrepreneurship unit which has two groups and two coaches who are teach. The purpose statement. The purpose to Sir Muhammad bin Sufyan, the Assistant Director of Core Curriculum Center of University Utara Malaysia, to add up the portable sewing machine. For the scope of proposal, the main scope of this proposal are the current condition and identify the problem faced by students, then discuss the solution and benefit to add up the portable sewing machine in Busana room. For the methodology, we use four methods. First, an interview session has been conducted face-to-face with Sir Muhammad bin Sufyan, Assistant Director of Core Curriculum Center, VUM. Second, the questionnaire has distributed to 30 respondents through Google Form application. Third, a website also utilized for data collection and information gathering. Lastly, a book review of writing business report, a process approach writing by Shaharun Abdullah. Now we move to the problem parts. Current condition. For Busana curriculum, there are only have one room at curriculum center, and in that room, there are only have 15 sewing machines are available for 40 students to use. Every semester, there will have one practical assignment that needs to use the sewing machine and other equipment. The lack of a number sewing machine will give a back effect for students to finish their assignment on time. Based on the questionnaire that had been distributed, most of the students using all the equipment that provided for the student at Busana room, but the most higher is sewing machine with 90%. Furthermore, most of the respondents, 53.3%, stated that frequently they are using the sewing machine during the class is 2 times. Next, half of the respondents, 50%, choose 30 minutes is the average time that they use the sewing machine during the class. Next, need for action. First, the type of problem facing when use the sewing machine. Majority of the respondents, 60%, answer that the problem are the limited time to use the sewing machine are the main problem that they face. During the class, the student will use the sewing machine as their main equipment for the learning section, sewing practice, and do the assignment. With 40 students in one section but only have 15 sewing machines are available for students. This problem can disrupt students during the learning session and complete the assignment, same as a student have a limited time to use the sewing machine. For the maintenance, 77% of respondents agree that have a maintenance by core curriculum staff, and others, 23%, believe that they are not have any maintenance by core curriculum staff. Next, the necessity to add up the portable sewing machine. 93% of respondents agree on the necessity to add up the portable sewing machine because convenient for students to handle and prevent sharing with other students. Furthermore, it can help students finish their assignment on time and no need to turn in order to use the sewing machine during the class. While remaining 7% of respondents believe that to add up The portable sewing machine at Busanaru was unnecessary as it will not give a good stitches for them. Lastly, opinion to add up the portable sewing machine. The majority of the respondents, 100%, agree on to add up the portable sewing machine at Busanaru because it's convenient and at the same time it will give an opportunity for students to learn a new method to improve their skill with a variety equipment. Besides, it can prevent students sharing with other students and they can finish their assignment on time. Next, the necessity to add up the portable sewing machine. 93% of respondents agree on the necessity to add up the portable sewing machine because convenient for students to handle and prevent sharing with other students. Furthermore, it can help students finish their assignment on time and no need to turn in order to use the sewing machine during the class. While remaining 7% of respondents believe that to add up the portable sewing machine at Busanaru was unnecessary as it will not give a good stitches for them. Lastly, opinion to add up the portable sewing machine. The majority of the respondents, 100%, agree on to add up the portable sewing machine at Busanaru because it's convenient and at the same time it will give an opportunity for students to learn a new method to improve their skill with a variety equipment. Besides, it can prevent students sharing with other students and they can finish their assignment on time. Now we move to the last part for the problem, which is the effects. The effects are divided into two parts, which is the advantage and disadvantage to add up the portable sewing machine. The advantage to adding up the portable sewing machine, majority of the respondents, 93.3% respondents, agree with the portable sewing machine are more convenient for the student to do the assignment because it will make the student easier to use and handling when doing their assignment. Besides, it will reduce the time for every student without sharing with other students and they can finish the assignment on time. Next, the measure of disadvantage to adding up the portable sewing machine is students are able to sew thick fabrics such as jeans with using the portable sewing machine, while 43.3% of respondents think that student needs to handle carefully since the portable sewing machine are easily damaged.
Hi, I'm Lam Su Ming, matrix number 254859. I'll presenting the solutions and the benefits part. In order to solve the problem, there were several actions need to be taken. Most of the students believe that implementing portable sewing machine might need to cost more. Hence, the main factor need to be considered is about the cost. We need to consider about the cost of the portable sewing machine, the cost of the delivery fees, and also the cost of the trainer's fee because they might send the trainers come to teach us how to use this portable sewing machine. The second is about the time period. This is because implementing portable sewing machine might need to take some time. Hence, we need to have a proper working schedule in order to plan the whole implementing process smoothly. The third one is about the type of the portable sewing machine. This portable sewing machine must be small enough and it must convenient for the student to be used. Here, we propose three types of model of the portable sewing machine. The first one is about the computerized sewing machine. The second is the mechanical sewing machine. And third one is the handheld sewing machine. For the computerized sewing machine, it has 80 stitches and 8 buttonholes, and you just need to select which type of sewing function you want and it will run. For the mechanical sewing machine, it is automatic needle threader and it is most people's choice. For the third one, the handheld sewing machine, it has only single thread and single speed, but it is wireless and cookless. Before implementing this portable sewing machine, there are also several limitations need to be considered. The first one is cost. This is because Busana Koke class, they did not collect any fees from the students. Hence, if they want to implement this portable sewing machine, they might need to find some sponsors or outsource some funds in order to implement this portable sewing machine. The second is about the implementation period. From the proposal until the implementation, it will cost about 1 to 2 months. Hence, students, current semester 4 students might not be able to use this portable sewing machine for their assignment. The third one is about the availability of the product. This is because the portable sewing machine is not a high liquidity product. Hence, the supplier might not have this huge amount of quantity available at most of the time. So we expect that implementing this portable sewing machine will give benefits for the students because students will reduce their time for doing their assignment because they can bring back the assignments and the portable sewing machine back to the hostel to continue to finish the assignment. Hence, based on the models proposed, we suggest that all-sew handheld sewing machine is the best model that can be implemented in this Pusana Koke class. This is because it is the lower cost and also is available most of the time. For benefits, there are many benefits that implementing this portable sewing machine. The first one would be it is convenient for students to be used. This is because it does not have any complicated function. Students just need to install the needle and the thread inside the sewing machine and then just press button to start to be used. Hence, students will not be confused when using this portable sewing machine. The second one would be it is safety to be used. This is because it is small and it is wireless and cordless, means that students will not be hooked by the wire of the portable sewing machine. And also, it only has one single speed. The students can control how to use the sewing machine and they will not be easily injured. The last one will be implementing this portable sewing machine can reduce time for students to finish their assignment. They can bring back this sewing machine to their hostel and continue to finish their assignment without booking the Busana Koke room for use the sewing machine. And also, they can frequently amend the assignment request by the lecturer also.
Hi, I'm Xiao Ying, number matrix 261630. I will explain on the implementations and the cost. Implementations divided into two parts, which is personnel in charge and work schedule. To ensure the plans to install the portable sewing machines is going smoothly, the task has been divided among the committee member. For example, Mr. Muhammad Ilyas, the Assistant Director of Co-Curriculum Center UUM, is responsible to talk about the budgets and the benefits of the plans with Director of Co-Curriculum Center UUM. Next, Ms. Nurul Shuhada is preparing the proposal for the Co-Curriculum Center, and Mr. Lam Su Ming is responsible to conduct a survey about the problem that facing by the students in the Busana room. After all the task divisions is done, the final step of implementations is creating work schedule. The purpose of creating work schedule is to ensure that the work is accomplished in the allotted times. To identify the problem facing by the students and conduct an observations on the conditions of the Busana rooms should have done on the 17 March 2020. Each of the actions to be taken is listed down and expected to be accomplished on the date that have set. So our plans is expected to be done on the 13th June of 2020. Next, the cost of installations of the portable sewing machine is including the price itself, the delivery fee, and the training service fee. The price for one portable sewing machine is 56 ringgit. So we will order 30 units of portable sewing machines, which is the number for a class of Busana students. Therefore, all of the Busana students will get the chance to use the portable sewing machines to finish their assignment on time. The overall expenses on the portable sewing machine is 1,680 ringgit. The total charge for delivery fee is 84 ringgit as 7 ringgit for each of the kilogram, and the weight for our parcel on the portable sewing machine is 12 kilogram. After the installation is done, we will hire 3 trainers to train the lecturers and the students for the way to use the portable sewing machines. Each of the trainer we will pay 200 ringgits. The total expenses on the installations of the portable sewing machine is 2,364 ringgits. It is concluded that the portable sewing machine needed to be implemented in the Busana class, as the student facing a lot of problems such as limited time and the lacking of the number for the sewing machines. The benefit of implementing the portable sewing machines is including reducing the time for finishing the project, increasing the safety of the students, and more convenient for the students. Therefore, it is necessary to implement the portable sewing machine as it gives a lot of benefits. It is recommended that immediate action should be taken by the management of co-curriculum center to overcome the problems. Lastly, the next 2 slides are the photo when we went for the interview with Mr. Muhammad Ilyas, the Assistant Director of Co-Curriculum Center, and observations on the students during their class. That's all from us. Thank you.